Hi there, my name is Glenn. I am a leader and coach with over 20 years of experience. And here are 3 quick ideas for you. Number 1, most people think they lack motivation when in reality, they lack clarity. If you have clarity on what you want to do, the motivation comes easily. Number 2, what looks like talent is often careful preparation. And what looks like skill is often persistent revision. Think about those awesome, amazing, talented Olympians. Next time you watch, remember all the careful preparation and revision that goes into it. Number 3, there are 4 qualities of a great career. I enjoy it, I'm good at it, I make good money, I'm around fascinating people. Now try to answer those in reverse order. Where are fascinating people? In what ways can I make money with them? Which ones am I good at? And which ones do I enjoy? My name is Glenn. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day ahead, and I hope to see you again next time.